Okay, so if you've ever taken, or if you're in Gen Chem and you're trying to learn molar mass conversions, I will show you the easiest way that I know how to do it. So molar mass is fairly simple. You just take, you have, let's say CO2, okay? You have 1 carbon and 2 oxygen. So you take your carbon and you go to your handy dandy periodic table over here and you look at the atomic weight and you see it's 12.011. You multiply that by 1 and that is going to equal 12.011. So now you go look at your oxygen. Oxygen is 15.999. Oxygen equals 15.999. But you're going to multiply that by 2 because you have 2 oxygens. And that is going to equal, you take your little calculator, 15.999 times 2 equals 31.998.
All right.
Now, you just add those together. So, plus 12.011 equals 44.009. And this is the molar mass of CO2.
Dang.
Voila. Now, let's try something, I say a little more difficult. Okay, say you have iron, iron to phosphate. Okay, so you have iron, which is like this, and then of course phosphate is PO43. You're going to do the crisscross, so now it's FE3. This 3 just comes down here, and this 2 is going to go over here. But because this is a polyatomic, you're going to put it in parentheses, and now do 2. So you have 3 irons. So now you're going to go back over here to your iron equals 55.845. 55.845. You're going to multiply that by 3. 55.845 times 3 equals 167.535. Oh, look, this one's a little more difficult because you have phosphorus and you have 4 oxygen. But, so you take the phosphorus and you're going to multiply it by 2 because the 2 is out here. So, phosphorus is 30.974. Phosphorus equals 30.974 times 2. 30.974 times 2 equals 61.948. Now, you are going to multiply your oxygen by 2. So 4 times 2 is 8. So you have 8 oxygen. That's 15.999 times 8 equals 127.992. Now you're going to add those up. Plus 61.948 plus 167.535. And that is going to be a grand total of 357.475 grams of iron 2 phosphate. Voila! And that's how you do the molar mass. That was a little more difficult. So, like everything else in chemistry, you are going to have to do conversions. So let's say that you have 83.7 grams of aluminum. Okay? What we have to do is convert these grams into moles. That's just represented by an N. So what we have to do first is find the atomic weight of aluminum. This one's fairly easy because there's only one, and we just look over here and it is 26.962. So in order to set up the conversion problems, you always want to put your likes with your likes. So here we have 83.7, we have grams. So in order for these grams to cancel out, we want to make sure that grams go on the bottom. So there, what did I say? 26.962 grams for 1 mole of aluminum. Okay? So now all you have to do is take 83.7 times 1, and then you're going to divide that by 26.962, and that'll be 83.7 divided by 26.962, and that is going to equal 3, and you have to do your sig figs, and you're going to take the lowest one, so it's just to 1. Well, you're doing division multiplication, so it's only 3 sig figs. So 3.10 moles. Oh, I'm sorry. Moles of aluminum. Voila. So now, say we want to take these moles and we want to know what they are in atoms. So we would set the same problem up anyways, but remember, you put your likes with your likes. So you have 83.7 grams. And now, when you get to stoichiometry, that's going to be very important. So we're going to set it up as 26.962 grams of aluminum is equal to 1 mole of aluminum. And so moles and atoms go together. So 1 mole, so you're going to put your moles down here so that they cancel out, and you're going to put your atoms up here, because that's what you want your final answer to be. And you're going to use Avogadro's number as 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd. Yes. So what you do is multiply across the top, and you're going to get 83.7 times 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd, and that equals 5.040414 times 10 to the 25. Oh, but you have to do the bottom. So now you have to divide this number by 26.962 grams. And so divide that by 26.962, and that will equal 1.87 atoms of aluminum. And that is your final answer. And that is how you do molar mass and conversion. Thank you.